I will be unboxing and reviewing the Xiaomi power bank. This one happens to be a 22.5 watt 10,000 milliamp hour. In the unboxing experience, you get power bank itself, a USB-A to USB-C cable, some literature. First impressions of the power bank itself is that it has a sort of brushed aluminium cover. It has two USB-A ports. It has a USB-C port. The USB-C is for input and output, and a button. The button is used for the battery indicator. Very first impression, the second you unbox it, is that it's quite heavy. 270 grams. That's 9.4 ounces. For reference, I'm going to be charging my DJI Osmo Action 3. So I'm going to use the cable that it gave us. 5 watts. So I'm a little disappointed because I would have expected fast charging, the 22.5 watts, but maybe it's only the USB-C port that outputs that. It's a Xiaomi power bank with a USB-C U-green converter to my amp meter, and that's going all the way to the DJI. 5 volts, so 1 ampere. So perhaps it's the cable power bank. So this is the one that came with the Xiaomi power bank. Let's see what happens when I use the GoPro cable. Connected. I'm getting the exact same results. It says the type A can do 5 volts 3 ampere, type C 5 volts 3 ampere. Okay, so this is in no way a fast charger. My final thoughts on the Xiaomi power bank: a bit heavier than I would have liked. It's not a fast charger for whatever reasons, whether it was my cable or maybe even my amp meter itself. It limited it to 5 watts, so I'm a little disappointed in that regard. Just for comparison, I'm getting 5 volts 0.78 milliamp hours. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm the Revenger's Hammer. Stay tuned, new videos coming soon.